Hey loves, it's Ashane. In this video, I'll be showing you how to get that glamorous, poppin' look that you just seen. So stay tuned and let's get started. As you guys know, I love trying new things, so I decided to try the Pretty Rich Diamond Light eyeshadow palette by Too Faced, and I'll also be showing you other products I use as well. So enjoy. I am using the 24-hour long medium brown eyebrow gel by the Magic Collection. I got this from like a beauty supply store, so it's really cheap. I also like using the NARS as a primer, and I also like to use it underneath my eyebrows because it really makes them like pop and like look really neat. And if you guys didn't know, a primer is basically just like an undercoat that you put on before you put on any of your eyeshadow, and it just basically makes it look smoother and last a lot longer. Blending time. So you guys make sure that y'all invest in a blending brush because this has helped me so much when it comes to like blending my colors together and making everything just like look amazing. I got this brush from Elf, or it's made by Elf. I got it from Walmart for like $1, and I'll also be including everything I'm using in this tutorial down below, and I'll also include links for some of these products if you want to buy them after you watch the video or whenever. Yay, so my favorite part, eyelash time. I like using hair glue because it lasts long, and then it's also easy to take off. All you need is like water or oil or something. And this is by Proclaim. It's a Super Bond Professional Formula hair glue. And I think it was like maybe $1 or something, so it's fairly cheap. This is the Kat Von D eyeliner. I got this for my birthday for free from Sephora, so I'm like, might as well go ahead and use it because just like food, y'all, I don't like to waste anything. You guys, for a highlighter, and even if you don't want to wear like a ton of makeup, use the Morphe High Impact Highlighter. Like, I'm not getting paid for this. I just really love this product. So you guys, make sure to comment, like, subscribe, and also let me know if you use this palette and if you have any other formulas that you use, because tips and trips are more than welcome here.